In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to set the default time zone in WordPress. Setting the default time zone in WordPress is a straightforward process. You can do this through the WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Settings and click on General. On the General Settings page, scroll down until you find the Time Zone option. Now, there are two ways to set the time zone. You can select a city in the same time zone as you, like New York, London, or Tokyo, etc. Or you can choose a UTC offset. You can also select the date and time format from here. You can configure other settings from here as well. And once everything's in place, click on Save Changes. And this is how easy it is to set the default time zone in WordPress. Before leaving, you can also learn how to change page titles in WordPress when using Elementor. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.